Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all in this virtual video class of Standard 12. And as we were discussing about the league knockout, so in this series, today we will talk about the league tournament or round robin tournament. The league tournament is having two types, cyclic methods or the staircase method. Before starting this topic, one thing I want to recall that league is quite different from the knockout. As in knockout, the teams gets eliminated from the whole tournament if the team lose the match. But in league or round robin tournament, each and every team play a match in between unless the tournament goes ahead. So in such a way we can say that the teams get chance to play regularly matches with all the teams participating in that particular tournament. Here we will discuss about the fixtures making methods in cyclic and staircase. So let us start the cyclic method. Here you can get the example with this slide that the number of teams participating in this fixture is 6. Here you can see 6 teams are here. So number of matches would be 6 into 6 minus 1 by 2. So in such a way we can get total 15, and this would be the number of matches. So we can find out the number of matches through this formula. Now, how we place the team in league tournament cyclic method? Let us see. Here you can see that 1 is fixed in every round. How many rounds would be there? 5 rounds. Each round will have 5 matches. So 5 into 3 equal to 15 matches. So here what we see, 1 is fixed and rest all teams are making a cycle in such a way the placement is being made so that it is called cyclic method. So let us start placement of the team in each round and we can show the matches how it would be conducted. So first we will write 1, then we will write 2, then we will write 3. As 6 teams are there, then after 3 we will proceed this side and 4 would be written here, then 5 and 6. So what we see, one cycle is here like this, and this cycle is clockwise. It's okay. In first round this placement is already clear. Now in second round 1, so 1 is also here, but this 6, as it is shown that the 6 will come here, 6 has come here. So if the 6 will come here, then what will happen? 6 will take the place of 2 and 2 will be coming down. If 2 will come here, then 3 will come here. Then here it is written wrong, here it must be 3. Then 3 will come in the place of 4, then 4 will come here, and if 4 will come here, then the 5 will come here. So in such a way you can see that one more circle is made. let me show you. 1 2 3 4 5 6. It was our first round. So let me set the second round. So 1, then in place of 2 what we will write? 6. If 6 will come here, then 2 3 4 5. Clear? Then third round 1 will be placed, then 5 will come in place of 6, then 5 6, then 2 3 4. Clear? Again 1, then 5, then 6. Are we having 7? No, we are not having 7. So we will not write here 7. The number of teams are 6 only now. So here we will write 2 because 1 is already written. So 2 we will write, then 3, then 4. So this would be our third round. Now the fourth round, 1 will be fixed, then 4 5, we are having 6 but we are not having 7, then 2, then 3. One thing you have to remember, that only we have to play 1 2 3 4 5 6. Other than these digits, we have to not recall any digits of our numerics. Then the fifth round, 1 is fixed, then 3 will come here, 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, no, then 2. So in such a way, the fifth round, if number of rounds are decided fifth, if the sixth number round will be made, then see what will happen. 1, then 2 will come here, again 2 3 4 5 6. So the same fixture of the first round would come in the sixth round. So do you think that it would be required? Definitely not. So in such a way, here we can make the fixtures of 6 teams and we can find out the number of matches in this fixture. Here one thing I want to tell you, if it is even, then we place number 1 in fix. But suppose if it is not even, like 7, so in 7 what will happen? Or 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Who will play here with 1? See what is happening actually in this. 1 will play with 6, 2 will play with 5, 4 will play with 3 in first round. Second round, 1 will play with 5, 4 will play with 6 and 2 will play with 2. No, here 3. ये गलत है, यहाँ पे गलत है printed. Then 1 will play with 4, 3 will play with 5 and 2 with 6. Again 1 and 3, 4 and 2, 6 and 5. Again 1 and 2, 6 and 3, 4 and 5. Clear? So if it is not even, then 1 2 3 we can write, 4 here we can write, 5 here we can write, but 6 is not there. So who will play with 1? If again we will make the fixture, then again the problem will be raised. So by 1 by would be fixed, and then see by 1 2 3 4 5. So in first round 5 will get the by, 4 will play with 1 and 3 will play with 2. Again in second round by will be fixed and 5 will come in place of 1, then 5. After 5 do we have 6? No, we are not having 6. So 1 2 3 4, this is our second round. Now the 4 have got the by. Clear? In third round what will happen? By, then what will happen after by? How we will place it? See, by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, by 5, 2, by 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, what will happen? See, by, then 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Clear? In such a way, we will make the fixture of uneven number. Now, we can proceed to the staircase method. In staircase method, we can get the help of this slide. Here, what we see that 1 is fixed in first round. Then 2, 3, 4, 5. How many teams are there? 5 teams are there. Not 6 teams are there. Then 1 will play with 2. 1 will play with 3. 1 will play with 4. 1 will play with 5. So in league, what we see that each and every team is playing with 1. Now 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 2 will be fixed here. And then 3, 4, 5 we will write. Then 3 will fix here. And 4 and 5 would be written. And then 5 and 4 would be fixed here. And the 5 would be written. So in such a way, what we see that in first round 1 will play with everyone, then 2 will play with everyone, then 3 will play with everyone, then 4 will play with everyone. Here how? The 4 is playing with 5, 4 is playing with 3, 4 is playing with 2, and 4 is playing with 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 matches he has played. The same, 3 is playing with 1, 3 is playing with 2, 3 is playing with 4, 3 is playing with 5. 4 matches. So this is called staircase because in every round one team that is already played the match, again that team will not come to play the match. Suppose here we will recall 2 with 1. What will happen? Again this 2 with 1 and 2 with 1. 2 matches would be played with the same team, and that is not the rules and regulation, comes under the definition of league tournament. So for homework, come to the homework. You will make the fixtures of first 6 teams, uh, 6 teams cyclic, and 5 teams staircase. After that, you will make the fixtures of 4 team cyclic and 7 team staircase. Clear? So I hope the concept of this league is clear. And my dear students, for portion, it is already given to the class teacher and perhaps it is broadcasted on the WhatsApp group of yours. But here I want to remind you that the portion would be the first chapter, planning in sports, and 20 marks objective question would be asked in online examination. The test that is scheduled to be conducted very soon. From the next video, I'll start the next chapter. If any doubt, any question you are having, you can come to the WhatsApp and you can ask. Feel free to learn. Till then, goodbye. Thank you. Thanks.